Standards, attention. Standards, attention. Good morning to one and all. Today we Aman and Niti are going to conduct morning assembly. Swagatam, Swagatam, Swagatam. I welcome you all presenting teachers, brothers, sisters and my little kids. I have two lines for my little kids. कि क्यूट सा फेस है किलर जैसा स्टाइल, कि क्यूट सा फेस है किलर जैसा स्टाइल, वक्त भी थम जाता है जब बीपीएस का स्टूडेंट करता है स्माइल।
थैंक यू एवरीवन। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोशीता हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसके ये गुलशिता हमारा। नाउ द टाइम इज गेटिंग टू डिवोट सम कपल्स ऑफ मिनट्स, so I would request to Shraddha Bai and Ikra Bai for Hindi prayer. Everyone please get set ready for prayer.
Jai Hind everyone. Please fold your hand, close your eyes and down your head. छल कपट मिटाना है जग से, प्रभु हिम्मत दो हमको। हिम्मत दो प्रभु हिम्मत दो, प्रभु हिम्मत दो हमको। छल कपट मिटाना है जग से, प्रभु हिम्मत दो हमको। जो ठाने हम अपने मन में, उसे पूरा कर दिखलाए। जग से भ्रष्टाचार मिटाए, सक्षम कर दे जन को। प्रभु हिम्मत दो, प्रभु हिम्मत दो, प्रभु हिम्मत दो हमको। प्रभु हिम्मत दो, प्रभु हिम्मत दो, प्रभु हिम्मत दो हमको। छल कपट मिटाना है जग से, प्रभु हिम्मत दो हमको। छल कपट मिटाना है जग से, प्रभु हिम्मत दो हमको। हिंसा तो जग से खत्म करे और प्रीत ही प्रीत फैलाए। हिंसा तो जग से खत्म करे और प्रीत ही प्रीत फैलाए। अच्छाई की ओर मोड़ दे हम दुष्टों के मन को। अच्छाई की ओर मोड़ दे हम दुष्टों के मन को। प्रभु हिम्मत दो, प्रभु हिम्मत दो, प्रभु हिम्मत दो हमको। प्रभु हिम्मत दो, प्रभु हिम्मत दो, प्रभु हिम्मत दो हमको। छल कपट मिटाना है जग से, प्रभु हिम्मत दो हमको। छल कपट मिटाना है जग से, प्रभु हिम्मत दो हमको। थैंक यू।
Thank you all prayer girls.
Now it's time for English prayer, so I would request to Muskan Bai and Ritansi Bai for English prayer.
All of you get ready for English prayer. Dear God, please give me happy today.
Dear God, please give me happy today.
Help me to be bright, cheerful and gay.
Help me to be bright, cheerful and gay.
Help me to do things you want me to.
Help me to do things you want me to.
To be to others kind and good.
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 My parents, teachers and friends to bless.
My parents, teachers and friends to bless.
And keep us all in happiness.
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 Thank you. Thank you Ritansi Bai and Muskan Bai. An oath is way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I am calling to Samar Bhai to lead us with the plays.
Good morning to everyone. Please take the position of place. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich. I shall respect my parents, teachers and all elders. Respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I place my devotion in their well-being, prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, bhai. Now I would say 2 lines about our country before the news. देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए. Thank you. I mean news. So I would request to Ansika bhai and Suraj bhai for news.
Former German Chancellor Angela Merkel wins UNESCO Peace Prize 2022. The Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting Anurag Thakur launched the Azadi app. VVS Lakshman has been named the Indian cricket team's interim head coach for Asia Cup 2022. The Liberty Medal 2022 has been awarded to the President of Ukraine Vladimir Zelensky. The Bharatiya Janata Party has named Bhupen Singh Chaudhary as the party's UP President. Kerala government is planning to launch an online monitoring system for medicines for hospitals. India votes against Russia at UNSC procedural vote on Russia-Ukraine war. India would become the first country to deliver indigenous 5G, says Radhu Chandrasekhar. India Prime Minister Modi and Maldives President Ibrahim Mohammed launched Greater Mail Connectivity Project. Sahitya Academy Award 2022 awarded to Bhagwant Anmol for Preme in Hindi. Thank you.
Thank you, bhai. A good line can make your day. The time has come for a good thought. So I am calling to Ans bhai for thought of the day.
Good morning to all of you. Thought of the day was, an investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. I repeat, an investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. It's told by Franklin. Thank you.
Thank you, bhai. Now it's time for today's word, which change our pronunciation. So I would request to Vikas bhai to today's word. Then so I request to Ankas bhai for today's word.
He is absent. We all love to hear amazing things that takes a place in walks of life around the world. Let's welcome Ilma bai for amazing fact.
Jai to all of you. In our English speaking, some words are confusing words. We have 2 words. First is ought and second is ought. First is AUGST means kuch and second is OUGST means chahiye. Thank you.
Thank you, Ilma bai.
शिक्षा से बड़ा कोई वरदान नहीं है. शिक्षा से बड़ा कोई वरदान नहीं है. अगर गुरु का आशीर्वाद मिले इससे बड़ा कोई सम्मान नहीं है. Now it's moment to call for a great dignity, great personality and heart of BPS. Our honorable principal sir, please come and give valuable feedback.